Some amazing facts about cats. Did you know there are over 100 different cat breeds? Cats can see up to 120 feet away. Their peripheral vision is about 280 degrees. The oldest cat known lived to the grand age of 36. The average age for an indoor cat is 15 years, while the average age for an outdoor cat is only 3 to 5 years. Blue-eyed cats are often prone to deafness. Cats lap liquid from the underside of their tongue rather than from the top when drinking. The largest breed of cat is the Ragdoll. Males weigh 12 to 20 pounds, with females weighing 10 to 15 pounds. At birth, kittens can't see or hear. Cats can see in color, they are partially colorblind. Thanks for watching. Tell us what you know about cats in the comments section.